Hello and welcome to autoX. Now Bajaj was one of the first to launch the CNG CVs in India, and then they also became one of the first to establish the small segment sports bike in India as well. Now combining the two, we have the new Freedom. This is the world's first CNG powered motorcycle, and it is essentially a petrol CNG hybrid, and today in this video I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about it. Now, if you talk about design, Bajaj has given the new Freedom supermoto-like styling, and in my opinion, I think it looks damn good. I really did not expect the bike to look like this when I got up in the morning for this event. It looks mean, it looks butch, and looks ready to do the business. Now, overall, it gets 7 vibrant, multicolored options to choose from, and all of them look really nice. Now, if you talk about features, highlights include LED headlights, alloy wheels, forks which resemble sort of upside down forks. Then you also get a reverse LCD screen. Moving further back, you get a 785mm seat. This is one of the longest in the segment, and Bajaj claims this is 25% more comfortable than its closest rivals. Over that, while you do get the LED headlights, you also get LED tail lights. On top of all those features, the LCD screen also gets Bluetooth connectivity, and you also get a call button right here for your convenience. And overall, the package is pretty feature laden, and while it looks good as well, overall it really leaves a good first impression. Now, when we talk about convenience, the Freedom 125 has some tricks up its sleeve. First and foremost, it gets an easy on-the-go switch to switch between the petrol and CNG options. Then if you're wondering where you fill the fuel, well, you open this up, and right above the tank you see both nozzles to fill both fuels. Now, this being a CNG motorcycle, a big priority was on efficiency and fuel savings. Then Bajaj in that aspect claims you get 50% less operating cost than its closest rivals, and over a period of 5 years you'll end up saving close to 75,000 rupees. Now that's a bold claim, and we hope it comes true for those who use it. Now, if you guys are wondering where the CNG tank is located, well, while the petrol tank is in its normal position, open up the seat and you'll find the CNG tank located under the seat. And if you see, what surrounds it is a trellis frame, and Bajaj claims this has been done to improve the robustness of the motorcycle. However, this has had an effect on weight, because the top model weighs about 149 kgs, while even the base variant weighs about 143 kgs. However, Bajaj has thought of that too, because this gets a linked monoshock suspension at the rear, and that does take care of the niggles and handling of this motorcycle. Over that, the top speed, the claimed top speed of this motorcycle is 95 km per hour in CNG mode and 100 km per hour in regular petrol mode. And this, I'm telling you, even despite the weight of this motorcycle, the robust trellis frame and everything that it has to offer, it is still a peppy motorcycle, I feel, but we'll put it to the ultimate test when we do get it out on the open road. Now, let me talk you quickly through the ergonomics. As I mentioned, you get the longest seat in the segment. It's pretty cushiony. I sit pretty high up. The bars fall exactly where my hands are, and I think it's pretty comfortable. It's not too far away. It's not too further down. It's not too high up. I think the seating position is exactly right for all customers in general. Now, the biggest highlight of this motorcycle has to be this 125cc single-cylinder petrol CNG hybrid powertrain. It makes 9.5 PS and 9.7 Newton meters of peak torque. Of course, it gets a 2 kg CNG tank, then it gets a 2-litre petrol tank as well, and it gets a claimed total range of 330 kilometers. Now, we definitely look forward to putting that to the test, and we'll do so when we get it out on real world for a review. And now let's listen to the exhaust note. So what do you guys think about that? In my opinion, it sounds pretty deep and throaty. Sounds pretty good. Tell us in the comment section down below about your thoughts. Now, along with efficiency, pricing is also a big talking point for the Freedom, and in that aspect you have total of 3 variants to choose from. The first and the most basic is the drum variant with the non-LED lighting, and that costs 95,000 rupees ex-showroom. Then you get the LED variant with the drum brakes, that costs 1,05,000 ex-showroom. Then of course you have the top model, which is the LED lighting and the disc brake variant, which costs 1,10,000 rupees ex-showroom. I think it's a good mix of pricing and variants which people can choose as per their liking. So overall, I think Bajaj is definitely a pioneer in this segment. The CNG motorcycle has definitely intrigued us, not only with the styling, but also the efficiency and the affordability that it has to offer. What do you guys think about it? Tell us in the comment section down below. Would you rather choose this or an electric motorcycle instead? Tell us in the comment section down below. We really look forward to know. My name is Karan Mathur. I hope this video gave you the information that you were looking for. Look forward to our first ride review coming on this channel really soon. Thank you for watching.